My check. My name is Olahari. Welcome to Playback 9, where we educate ourselves in the crypto space. Okay, as we all know, we do this every Saturday, every Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're always on YouTube. We are always on YouTube. Yeah, and other days we are always on Telegram. Okay, so you can just make a choice, any other choice. We are available for you. So welcome once again, and our topic for today is trading signals. You guys will agree with me that this is like one of the very crucial topic and very sensitive as well, because at this level it involves your money. Okay, taking signals, putting your finances on other people's trust. Okay, and you're putting your finance in line on that. You see, so think about it. That is exactly what it means. Well, before I dive in deeply into today's topic, so if you can hear me, please drop high. Let me know that I'm audible. Okay, forget that this YouTube channel, this live segment, is sponsored by bybit. Bybit actually sponsored this our YouTube section. Okay, yes, that's how it goes. And we always hear Tuesdays and Thursdays. You know, these 2 days we have full activity all through. Full activity. We have our beginners class by 4 p.m. and we also have our master class today, Tuesday, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Likewise on Thursday as well, it's like 4 p.m. all around activity. And if you want to understand what our beginners class is all about, very simple. It's all about, if you want to understand how to trade by yourself without depending on anyone, then you want to join the beginners class. Okay, you want to be able to, maybe in the nearest some months to come, you want to be able to provide signals for others. You want to be able to trade and be profitable. That's very important. We have a lot of traders out there, but the ones with profit are very, very few. And if you want to join those few profitable traders, then the beginners class is a place to be, I can tell you. And immediately you join, you will have to create a bybit account so that you'll be trading there regularly, so that you can get low transaction fees. That is very, very vital, very, very important. But people will not know that transaction fees are very crucial when it comes to trading. Yes, by the time you sum the total amount you have used to pay transaction fee, it's a lot of money. Okay, so if it can be discounted, you have a good deal with that exchange, and it is bybit. Okay, yeah. So thank you very much. You're dropping your location. I hope I'm audible. Yeah, so on the location box on the comment section, we can see different of our members. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So I can see Okoye Patience from Eboyne. Yeah, how are you? So drop your location. I can see Engineer Kola Wale from Port Harcourt. Yeah, welcome you all. Thank you for joining today in this class. Okay, so on the Telegram channel, I actually dropped a signal, okay, to go short on Ethereum. Okay, so I will, as our today's topic implies, how to take signals. This is very, very vital, and there are different ways, different channel provide signals. But the question is, some are paid, some are free. some start with free class, and if you're profitable, you can join the paid class. Okay, so I don't know how far those doing that, how far or how strong they are, but what I know is you hardly find somebody who made a lot of money via signals. Okay, because it's just like you are in a space where you can't determine your fate. That's how taking signals, that's how it is. You probably don't even know when to go for good margin. And today I will explain margin trading, okay, which is very, very vital. That's where the money is. That's where you make money. You need to know when to go all in. You need to know when to go in hard, make your money and move out. For this month of February, I've already made my own target. Every other thing I'm doing, maybe it's just addition. Yes, I have my target. Okay, I've already met my target. But it doesn't mean I'll stop trading, right? I'll still be trading, but I won't overexpose. I will just be trading normally. Yes, because I catch some trades some weeks back. Now, there is a way I personally adopt to be sending signals. Because I don't want you to just think of entering the trade without understanding the procedure, which is very vital. You need to understand how to enter a trade, okay? And then when you're trading, you also need to be able to determine your own fate. So you can see signals as maybe a clue, okay, a clue on what to do. And if you are not a beginner, if you understand what it is to take trades, then you will follow me closely. Before you attempt any signal, make sure you are not a beginner. That is very, very vital. Very, very important. Make sure you are not a beginner in trading. Make sure you have experience in trading. Make sure you've gone through some drilling, some lessons, so that you don't find yourself just losing your money for nothing. You understand? Because you've not acquired the knowledge. It's very important to acquire the knowledge before you go into trading. And that's the reason why we are here. And that's the reason why I personally took my time to lecture you guys on daily basis, to make sure that you are in the know, okay? You have the proper knowledge. And that's the reason why we have about 3 classes: the beginner's class, advanced class, and the master class. The advanced class is where we are currently. It's free for everyone, okay? So most times, if you are a beginner, you might find very difficult to blend, to relate. And if you are an advanced trader, then you can key into what we are doing easily without any stress, because you understand everything. Now, on the Telegram channel, if you can see my screen, I hope my screen is visible to all. And guys, don't forget, smash the like button. As you've joined us, smash the like button. We appreciate that. Smash the like button. You see, the only option you have is to be profitable. If you are here, if you're always coming here to join us, the only option you have is to be profitable. If you are an advanced trader, but if you are still new, you're still learning, it's better you join the beginner's class so as to learn what it takes to become a profitable trader. That's very important. The only option you have is to be profitable. And things you need to know are not out of the world. There are things that you need to know, and believe me, they are very simple. Okay, there are simple things, things you already know, but you probably don't know how to apply them. Okay, as an advanced trader, and then you will see how everything works. Now, a lot of some people, or let's say, large amount of traders, they also want to depend on signals to make money. As far as I'm concerned, if you're solely depending on signals to make money, it sounds like maybe you are kind of lazy to learn, or you don't have time. Maybe you have other engagements, you understand? Because as a trader, it's also advisable you have other source of income, okay, so that you can feel relaxed and you're not under pressure before you go into full-time trading. So you probably don't need to leave your job for trading. That's very vital. Okay, you don't have to leave your job for trading, and for you to be successful here, it takes time. It won't happen overnight. It takes you time to build. After building, you can now start to earn, right? So when it comes to signals, you need to be able to analyze them, the chart yourself, so you don't put yourself into more trouble. You need to identify your lost, let's say your stop loss zone. Okay, stop loss zone. You see, this has really helped me since I've been using stop loss zone. Man, it has been fantastic. I can tell you, if I'm losing money, I'm not losing so much. You know, losing money is also part of the game. Remember? Okay. Identify your stop loss zone. Identify your take profit zone. Yes. Identify your stop loss zone and take profit zone. Okay? Because if you observe, for you to be profitable, you know the range at which you want to pick your profit. You know the range at which you want to, you want to let go. That, okay, I can no longer bear this loss at this level. Let me move out. Okay? Yeah, and that is very, very vital. Now, looking at this, let's check my screen. Okay, so guys, don't forget, as you are joining us, drop your location, and don't forget to smash the like button. It's very important. Smash the like button. We really appreciate that, because when you smash the like button, the YouTube algorithm keeps referring people, keeps recommending this video to different YouTubers, those who are online, okay, so that they can join us and come and learn. Yes, that's why it's very important for you to do that. Okay, and don't forget, if you've not subscribed, use this opportunity to smash the subscribe button. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so also drop your location. Let's know where you're joining us from, so that we can mention your name. So the last one I mentioned was Engineer Kolawole from Port Harcourt, and we have Agumbiade Oluwafemi Samuel from Lagos. We have Ahmed Tijani from Abuja. Thank you for joining us. We have Abdullahi Adamu from Niger State. Wow, that's lovely. Thanks for joining us. We also have Abel Jr. from Edo State. Yes, those are my Edo brothers. And we also have Harriet Unyong Roberts from Italy. Yeah, thanks for coming around. Yeah, who do we have in the house? We have Ben. Ben, how are you? From Port Harcourt. We have Muhammad Lawha from Ilorin, Kwara State. Yeah, thanks for joining us as well. We have Cherry from Ibadan. Thank you for joining. We have Cynthia from Abia. How are you? JF Kennedy from UK. Yes, UK to the world. We have Badmos from Abuja. Thank you very much. We also have Smooth Rain Sound from Lagos. Yes, so keep dropping your location, smash the like button, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, guys. I will always thank you for doing this. Now, I dropped a signal on Telegram. Okay, now I'm going to use that particular signal as a case study, as a case scenario, because after learning different things, we've had people, they've been here a year plus, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, and they've been learning regularly. Okay, they've been learning, okay, in and out. Now, I can tell you for real that all what you've learned are not in vain. Okay, they are going to be profitable. I can assure you. Yes, in short, I have different plans, okay, but I won't push them out for now. Okay, yes, I will unleash them gradually. Okay, yeah. So today what I want to focus more on is how to take signals. Now, first and foremost, look at this. Look at my screen. Focus on my screen. So we have this. Yeah, so when you see is on my screen currently, you will observe signal. Okay, now you can see the way the signal is being composed. You can see the way the signal is being composed, where you have your entry, you have your stop loss, you have your take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4, take profit 5. Can you see that? Yes, this is nice. It's not bad. It's to catch the market. But how do you determine which TP you want to go for? You see? So don't let anybody confuse you because you want to take signals. How do you determine which of the take profits you want to settle for? You see, this idea, this take profit, this setup you're looking at is like an escape route to tell you that our signals are profitable. But in reality, when you're taking those signals, when you are entering the trade, you won't see the profit. Yes, you won't see this profit. You will know the funniest thing. If you're not going to use limit order, and you see, based on these signals, there are a lot of limitations, a lot of issues, because maybe when they drop the signals, you were not you were not like online. Okay, the signal has gone a bit, but you still want to, like, okay, let me still take the signal, maybe to further push to my favor. But in the long run, the signal was not profitable after all this, right? Now, for you to know a good signals, at least out of 10 trades, you should be able to be above average. Okay, out of 10 trades, you should be able to be above average. Now, this is an escape route to tell you that, oh, our signals are the best. Yes, they can boast and tell you that, yes, their signals are the best. Because one way or the other, the signal can catch. Okay, let me bring out my pencil. Hold on. Yes. Let's see. So I can illustrate clearly. Okay. Yes, so we have the pencil here. Now look at this. If the signal hits 0.5, you can't tell me that the signal is not profitable. Is that not? Yes, the signal is profitable. If the signal hits TP2, it reverses. It goes against you for days. You won't say the signal is not profitable. They will tell you, after all, you will have settled for TP1 or TP2. You're good. Whereas maybe your own target is TP5. Maybe that's your target. Yes. But they will tell you that, oh, the signals was very profitable. And if you don't set your TP, that's take profit, then by the time the market reverses, you will observe that you're not even making much profit like that. And you don't even know when to expose your margin. You know, your margin determines your profit. Okay? Because your ROE will be the one that will deliver your margin to show you profit. Okay? That's return on equity. I'll show you on the exchange. So that's how it is. looking at this signal format is an escape route, okay? But this is what I think. Even if you want to take signals that are like this, which is not bad, okay, at the end of the day, you will be blamed. You understand? You will be blamed. And the ways to avoid that is to ensure that you understand the chart yourself. Yes, that's the best way. Understand the chart yourself. Can you see that? Ethereum, this is the signal I sent some minutes ago or some minutes ago. Yeah, this is the signal I sent. And why did I send the signal? Okay, now if look at what I did. So I brought out the position 2. Okay, I indicated that this blue area or this green area, this green zone is your profit zone. Okay, but before that, what happens? We have a downtrend, right? We have a downtrend. If you zoom, so before we had this very strong downtrend. These two candles, 1, 2, they push to the downside, right? So there was a retest. They are testing 1,685. They are testing 1,685. Okay. Now that's where I put our entry. Our entry is, let me change it. I have a trade around here. I personally have entered earlier. I've entered the trade earlier. Can you see? I've entered the trade earlier. That this was my own entry. This place. That was my own entry. So whenever you see the yellow horizontal line, that is entry. Okay, that signifies entry. Now, what I'm telling you is this. I won't give you TP1, TP2, TP3, and all those stuff. Like, I won't do that. I'm not saying it's bad. Okay, it's a model a lot of people actually adopted, and they're using it to either to collect your money or to convince you that they are profitable. Now this is it. In reality, it's in range. Okay, and the beautiful way to capture profits, okay, to capture profit is to understand that, you see, from here to here is your profit line. Okay, and when the trade is going on, you have to observe the candles. Yes, you have to observe the candle. You have to check for wick, for momentum. You have to check for all those things, so that it will tell you either to stay in the trade or to exit. Because it doesn't make any sense that you're making profit and at the end of the day you're now making loss, or you now ended the trade in loss after you've seen profit. Now, just as we're looking at this particular trade, do you know that this is a very strong level? That's why I said that if you want to take trade, make sure you understand what you're doing. This place here is a very strong pullback. Yes, for this structure, very strong pullback, because this can use this place to create a double top, a double bottom rather. 1, 2, and you're taking the signal and you cannot even identify a double bottom, and you are still in the trade. The trade can mess you up, and you don't want that to happen to you. You don't want that to happen. That's why you need to what? Observe. Because you see, this is TP1, but you can decide to still stay in the trade, because the trade can still further down to our take profit, which is about around 2%. You can still go further down, but the most important thing is to be able to identify if you want to stay in the trade or you want to quit. Okay, that is very, very important, and that's the reason why I am telling you that it is better you are able to identify profit zone. Be able to identify what? Profit zone. Yes. Likewise, stop loss zone. You can see that this red area, if my screen is visible to you, this red area is what? Your stop loss zone. Okay. So you probably have two options. Either you set your stop loss or you do manual stop loss. It depends on you. So that means you want to close your you want to close your trade manually, or you want to set it. So when you get to that price, the market should just take you out. Okay, you have that two options. But as it is, when the market reverses back into this zone, you have to keep your eye on the market. Okay, it will do this with two things: either with a momentum candle, or it might just go up like this gradually. Yes. And when you get to this place, this stop loss area, make sure you are able to observe the candles as well. If you're not convinced that the market will reverse, just respectfully close the trade. It doesn't matter. You understand? Because whenever you are taking any trades, always plan your losses. Yes, always plan your losses. Now, another thing I want to advise: whenever a signal is dropped, it's very good to set take profit. Okay? Yes, it's very, very good to set take profit. If you set take profit, sometimes you can have very crazy pump and it will reject. Yes, it will reject instantly. Let me show you something like this. Let me draw it. Maybe from here, you just have a very strong hammer. Just come down, boom, boom, pull back. And if you set your take profit, you know what happens. You will have been in profit, you will have taken your profit, and you are out. It's very advisable. In the long run, you might still find the trade coming back here, which is very cool. But I can tell you categorically that, you see, this particular place, all this area here become profit zone. You can be taking profit regularly. Okay, you can be taking profits constantly without any problem. Now, immediately you have the candles going above this yellow line, then just know that you have to close the trade. But in as much as it's playing around this arena here, you can still re-enter. You can keep entering. Let me show you a trade. I think I have the trade. Is it not dash? Yes, it should be dash. Yes, let's look at it. Now look at this trade, dash. Can you see it? Can you see it? I actually traded this yesterday night, right? So when I saw this breakout, okay, so there's a pushback, though it took time. It took time. You can see the stop loss zone. You can see the TP zone. You see? You see, what I'm saying is this: anything below here, you are in profit no matter what. You are in profit no matter what. Okay? So that's it. Can you see this? So this is the understanding you need to take trade. You have to understand all these candles. Look at what I talked about the other time. I said that so that when you take profit, you see, you can see the way the market just rejects back. Sometimes it might even it might even come back to your entry sometimes. But this thing come back to this actually came down again. Okay, so all these things are things you need to know before you take trades, before you even say you want to rely on signals. So when they send you TP1, TP2, TP3, different TPs, what you need to do is to come to your chart and identify your profit zone and your stop loss zone. If you do that, it will help you a lot. Yes, it will help you a lot, so that you will know that okay, this trade, I can stay in this trade, or this trade is not trade I can stay for long. Okay, so like this trade with the lookings. Okay, let me give you another hint from here. Yeah, immediately this trade close below is another opportunity to enter this particular coin. Okay, so after the breakout there will be back. This is another entry to go down. Now for you to determine your take profit, you have to check. Okay, look back and check. Okay, hold on. Okay, so number one, you can see that your take profit is around here. Yes, that's your take profit. It can give you bravo, just move down. Yes, that's fine. But in terms of trading, this is your take profit here. You have to take profit around that area, unless there is what, a very strong downtrend. Consider leaving the trade, okay, in your favor. Aside from that, you need to close the trade in profit and take your profit and relax with it and go to the next trade. Okay, so that's how it works. The other one, yes, I've done different stuff like that. And okay, I will also explain this stop loss zone. Now look at this. You see what's going on here? You can see that this particular signal, if you set take profit, if you set stop loss, you'll be stocked out. Yes, the market will have stocked you out of the trade. You might not have that courage to stay in the trade, but I always like to do manual stop loss. Okay, though it has disadvantage, it also has its own advantage. Its advantage is that it can reject whenever you get to stop loss. I can be very lucky that it will just pull back like that. Okay, yeah. And which other one? The other one is actually this disadvantage is that sometimes you have a momentum candle that will take you all the way to the top like that, and you have to you don't have any choice than to close above your stop loss. Okay, that's a big disadvantage, and that's why some people will not subscribe to this. Okay, and the other one is, I already said that take profit is always very good to take profit. Okay, to set your take profit is very, very, very encouraging, and I can bet you that has a lot of benefits. Yes, that's a lot. Yes, and you can also use trailing stop if you're very knowledgeable about that. But if you are not, it's better you set your take profit. Okay, and let me see. I'm trying to look at another opportunity. Yeah, advantage for not setting stop loss is that in this kind of situation that you're looking at on my screen, you will still push yourself back into profits. Okay, and that's very vital. You guys know that. Yeah. Okay, so let's check another trade. I guess I have another trade here that is that should be let's see. Yeah, this trade, I actually sent a signal on this. I sent a signal on this to go long. go long, and you can see the shorts. Now, this what I'm about to explain is very, very important. So please pay attention. Now, I'm in this trade. Look at this. To go long, please, if you can hear me, please drop high. Drop high if you can hear me. Drop high. Drop high, high, high. If you can hear me, drop high. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Smash the like button. Yes, guys, smash the like button. I really appreciate that. Smash the like button. Okay, yes, that's beautiful. Smash the like button, and if you can hear me, click on high. If you can't hear me, just say out. Just type out. If you cannot hear me, just type out. Okay, now look at this. See another advantage of understanding signals. Okay, now from here is very, very vital. Okay, you can go long, right? And if this kind of a thing happens, what is the next thing to do? You can switch. So already this has already shown you a downtrend. Okay, yes, up to this place. Okay, up to this place. Let's say, okay, let me illustrate very well. So you can see that we have down, up, down. You see that? Now, if you see this, okay, you can close the trade somewhere here. Yeah, you can close the trade. Okay, now when you close the trade, you can enter this trade. Now look at it. See the entry here. After that downtrend, there's a pullback. Look at it. Can you see? There is a pullback. There is a pullback, and the next take profit, okay, will be here. Next take profits. This is a stop loss. These are take profits. Let's see, that's about 4%, or let's just say 5%. Okay. Yes. Can you see that? Can you see it? This is how you trade. This is how you go about this kind of trade. You can change the signal yourself, but if you don't know how to read the chart, how can you change the signal yourself? You probably take the loss or wait till the coin comes back to your favor, and that is under probability. You're already gambling. You're already guessing. You have a lot of things to look into. Okay, yeah, so that's just the way it is. So looking at this trade, we are coming all down here to 0.04540. Okay, so yeah, you can see it has already given a double top. Here's the neckline. It has already closed above the neckline. Yeah, and if BTC continues to drop today, this coin might even get all the way somewhere here. Somewhere here. Yes, I can tell you for real. I initially traded this coin, though I set my take profit, and you can see how far the coin was able to push. That was last week, about, yes, when I traded this coin. Okay, so guys, learning how to trade is the best. I can tell you, it's the best. You will probably be able to determine your profits. You're able to you that faith will be there. Okay, that faith will be there. So guys, that is it. Now don't forget, drop your coin. You want me to drop your coin? Drop your coin, guys. Drop your coin. Yeah, mic check. Okay, so as I said, don't forget what will push this market down, further down, is when if BTC continue to go deep. Okay, now another thing is this. You see, this particular trade you're looking at here. If this trade continue to linger around this arena here, let me do it well. You see, in as much as it's not closing above this area here, not closing above, the trade is valid. I can tell you, it's valid for short. In as much as it's not closing above this line, it's valid for short. It's valid. Just find good entry, enter the trade, and you're good. Yes. Okay. So that's it. That's what this trade. So guys, drop your coin. Let's see, that's BTC. Drop your coin. Lido, let's see Lido. Okay. Yeah. Man, as in, I'm really having a good time with this trade, man. So between what's today's dates? This is today's 21st. Between now till the end of this month, I'll be sending you guys signals. Okay? And that's the reason why I purposely did this this video. Okay? I will be showing you guys signals back to back. So I don't want to hear, oh, I made loss, oh, this. No, come on. I've already explained this. Okay? So this video will be available. It's going to be on YouTube. It will be available. It's going to be available for everyone. So let's quickly catch all your coins. Let's see if we can do analysis on them. Let me clear all this. Let me check SKL. Let's catch. Yes, I think this guy has a valid trade. I think I just saw it now. Let me clear everything. Yes, so you can see that this guy have something like this. You see the advantage of waiting for pullback. Now look at this. This is a wonderful trade to go short. This place. Okay, and there's a pullback. Can you see it? Yeah. Now the only problem that I am going to have with this particular trade is that it's not even indicating where I will put my stop loss. Look at this. Can you see this? This is a very good trade to go short. Yes, but you can see that it went long. Let's see, short. Look at here. I'll probably want to enter this trade. So here, my stop loss, maybe somewhere here anyway. Maybe somewhere here. You see? So when you spot something like this, you don't have to waste time. You don't have to waste time. Okay? You don't have to waste time. BTC is downtrend, but I'll still do the analysis. Don't worry. Do the analysis. Okay. So first and foremost, even before I do any analysis on any coin, the first analysis I will need to do is BTC. Okay, it's BTC. Yes, so that I will not use that. BTC dominate the market. It probably show it to other coins, right? I'll now use that analysis to analyze other coins. Okay. Now this trade is very valid to go short. Yes. Yeah. Now looking at this. This is TP1. this place. Okay, this 0.05548, that's TP1. Now if it continues to go down, then this is TP2 here. That's about 10%. Yes, and if BTC continue to go down, it will get to that level. I can tell you. See, there's money to be made, guys, a lot of money to be made. Okay, a lot of money. Don't sleep on this. Okay, let's go for BTC analysis. Go for BTC analysis. So here, okay, first and foremost, let's go on a long ride on a 4 hours time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame, for now, there is no major pullback for now. Okay, I will show you guys where BTC will pull back. I've seen it. See it here. Okay, now looking at this, I can spot something very profitable from here. This is 4 hours time frame. Can you see that? So for us to say we are now on a downtrend, like full downtrend, BTC needs to break this trend line. I can tell you for real. BTC needs to break this trend line to the downside. It needs to close below. We test at 24,000, then all the way down. At that level, we already have a triple top. Okay? We already have a triple top, and I can tell you BTC is all coming all the way down to 23,000. Yes. So if you're ready, that's good profits. You can prepare for this. Okay, you can prepare this analysis, but it can change. Yes, this is what I mean. If you can see my screen very well. So I'm telling you that BTC is coming all the way like this, down. Okay, pull back at 24,000 and move all the way down to 23,000 here. You can prepare for this. Okay, and don't forget that BTC is very strong, so it can still, before it might not use one candle to come all the way down. It might just move, move different ways. Boom, right? Immediately it move above this guy, then I will tell you what next to do. But for now, it's not fully. We are at let me say, the general bias is neutral. Okay, the general bias is neutral, but a lot of traders are looking, to go up, because this 25,000, you can see the 25,000. Now, let me tell you the reason why it's rejected 25,000. There has not been major investments that will take this BTC above 25k. That's why. So what you're looking at now is manipulation. Yes, and the only time that BTC will be able to move all the way up, BTC need to pull back a bit so that more investors can come in. But for now, there's no major investment that will push BTC all the way to the top. Okay, no major investment that will push BTC to the top. That's the reason why you are saying all these things. So what you're looking at here, they are pure manipulation. Okay, pure manipulation. But it's all good. You can see BTC has been rejecting 25,000. Don't forget, the beginning of this week, I told you guys that we are in a crucial stage. For BTC. This 25k, if we can break it, we're going all the way to the top. Okay, and don't forget, for this to happen, major investment has to come into the arena, have to come into the ecosystem. Okay, so that's it. And I think with this, we also need to check BTC dominance. Okay, the percentage, so that I think BTC is losing its dominance, something like that. So CoinGecko. Okay. So on BT dominance, what do we have? Okay, let's check coin market cap on the browser. Okay. So dominance is telling us this is it. 42%, 42.7%. It's still huge. Yeah, that's still huge. Because currently we have the market cap at 1.12 trillion. Okay, so and BTC is already carrying above 40%. Yes, that's a lot. You understand what I'm saying? It's above 40%. That's huge. So it's still going to determine the fate of a lot of coins. So that's what it means. Okay. So I hope you guys understand the analysis. Okay. So here, don't be too excited that we are going down. No, really, not really. Until the only time you can confirm the downtrend is when we close below 24,000. Okay, there will be a retest and we can continue to go down. Okay, so that's it. Apart from that, on the upside, yesterday we talked about on Telegram we talked about different trade patterns. Yes, and you can see that this is an ascending triangle. Can you see that? Ascending triangle. Okay, so when you have an ascending triangle, you're looking for a short position. Yep, and on this level here, you're also looking for up position. So if BTC breaks out, that is with tests, you can enter. Okay, so to go long, 25,000 is also a very strong retest. Okay, for BTC, it's a very strong retest for BTC. So that's just the way it is. So you have two opportunities, either to go to the upside or to come to the downside, the breakout area. So that's it. So in conclusion, I'm very neutral on BTC. Okay, very neutral on BTC. So that's it. Yeah, mic check. Okay, so having said that, let's move to the lower time frame. That's on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Okay. It's still the same thing. Still the same thing. We're looking at the downtrend. Can you see that? So I don't. What I don't want to ignore this week. Yes. So we are sure. Okay. So normally I will have just done this. I've just done this. I will have just ignore the week. Okay, here. Yeah, like this. Okay. So if I ignore that week, then the breakout, we're looking at breakout around here. You see that? So BTC will break to the downside, down like this, pull back around 24,403. Okay, that's on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the double top is more pronounced, but on the 4 hour time frame, I'm going to leave the analysis on this level. On the 1 hour time frame, I will leave it like this, because on the 4 hour time frame, we can still have a lot of what consolidation before it breaks to the downside. But as we speak now, I can't totally say it's going to be a downtrend. It needs to break out. We need to break out. Okay, we haven't broken out. Until then, we are still neutral. Okay, we are neutral for now. Okay, so let's now check the final, which is the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Let's see. Yeah, probably here we're going to see a lot of things. So let's remove this line. It's no longer valid for. So let's check the line that is valid. So here, from here all the way here, that line is not really working the way I want. It's not working out. So look at this. So this place, that's on the 15 minutes time frame now. 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this area here is very, very crucial, very vital. This place, we need, okay, it's already closing. Yeah, so we need BTC to close below this line, and after closing above that line, we are coming here. BTC is the next place. BTC is coming is here. Okay, so here, for now, we don't know if BTC will give us a double bottom rather. 1, 2. We don't know. We need to wait for BTC to come all the way like this. Okay, then up. You get what I mean? So until it breaks this arena here, then we now have, you can now see BTC is going down. It's coming all the way down. As on that level, it will now obey the 1 hour time frame. Okay, then after it follows by the 4 hours time frame. So that's. So at each level, make sure you observe. Okay, at each level, observe. Don't jump into conclusion. Don't jump. It's very vital. So keep watching it like that. But for now, we are neutral. Okay, we're neutral. And since we are neutral, it simply means most of our analysis can either, other coins can either be up or down. Okay, so let's go. So the first person I have on my list, yeah, let me quickly say hello to those who dropped their location. So guys, don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. I'll be so happy for you doing that. Sharon Michael, how are you? You're talking from Abuja. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's see Lido. So let me clear all this. Let's clear all this. Let's clear all this. Okay, for this rows, it's looking like a downtrend, I think, for these rows. But we've seen this rows to play out this downtrend more. Okay, then this line 0.07916 becomes a very strong resistance. Okay, like this down. Okay, strong resistance to go short. Yes, strong resistance to go short. That's what I can see around that area. Okay, but if you are interested, you can trade that. That's for rules. I think I would like to trade it myself. For ADA, let's see. Okay, ADA is following the regular BTC, so let's push it out. So let's go for LDO. Let's see. Yeah, it's loading up. So Lido showing us. Okay, Lido has already gone down. I guess I did the analysis not quite long. Yes, it has really gone down. Okay. I didn't even know. Okay, I traded this Lido. Was it not on Sunday or Saturday? Traded this Lido around here. Can you see it? Around here. What I would advise is that if you've made money from this Lido, just enjoy your money. Don't the look of things. Let me check the higher time frame. So I was also trading this Lido. Yeah, you can see I made a lot of money for this Lido, more than around $50. So okay, so let's do this. No, this won't go. This won't go. It's not aligning properly. So I will have done analysis on this coin earlier. So this was a very, very wonderful re-entry. This area here, this place, this downtrend retests downtrend. Okay, so because this place is not a very good entry as we speak. But believe me, I think Lido is still coming all the way down to 3.0. Yes, it will come the way to 3.0. So you are very careful around that area, because BTC can just mess the whole thing up. I don't want you to jump into the short position, but it's a very good trade. Yeah, but you still have to continue to study this. Don't jump into the trade. Don't jump into it. Okay, if you had entered from here early enough, okay, then if it now take you all the way down, good. But now if you enter now, okay, and it takes you here, you'll be hoping that the coin will pull back, and the coin might not pull back. My coin might just take you all the way to the top here, which makes you lose faith before it drops all the way down. So it's better you observe BTC first. Okay, as BTC is breaking those grounds I explained, then you can use that to re-enter. Okay, but for now, as far as I'm concerned, no trade. As far as I'm concerned, no trade. Just ignore it. Okay, so the next one we have is dust. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What do we have there? How this trade has already played out. This was a very strong entry. Okay, first and foremost, let me even check the higher time frame and check what has been going on this coin lately. Okay, so we can see that on the higher time frame we have uptrend, pullback, uptrend, double top. Okay, so we have all this pullback. Yeah, okay, so in that regards, yeah, you can see another pullback around here, right? You can see that pullback. That was a very good entry. So it looks like it's going to consolidate around here. Okay, like this, down, up, down. Then you now use this area to decide either it's going up or coming down. That's what I can see on this coin. It won't just drop down like that. Okay, it just drop down like that. More is a downtrend. Actually, it's a downtrend. So what I think you should do is let's see, shorts. I will wait. Yeah, I would rather wait for entry around 0.243. Yes, that's for dusk. Okay, then we have near protocol. Near protocol. Wow, nice. Near is looking good. Yes, yeah, this is not looking bad. So from here we can capture this. Yes, yeah, this is a good trade. So wait for breakouts. Wait for breakouts. Can you see that? Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, I love this. I love this. So at 2.6. Yeah, can you see that? Okay, so let's check the lower time frame. 1 hour. And the 1 hour, yes. Yeah, I love trades like this. Okay, we have another one here. Yeah, so near protocol will push to the downside. Okay, come back and test 2.6 and down. So 2.6 is a very wonderful entry for near protocol, but let's confirm with the 15-minute time frame. Yes, this is more like it. Okay, yeah, you can see that already near protocol is losing its double bottom. Okay, so we have 1, we have 2, so we are going to come down here, then pull back. So this 2.6 is a very, very wonderful entry. So guys, get ready. Even I myself, I would really love to trade this. Yes. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. So I'm going to put this here, go short at 2.6. Okay, the reason why I actually appreciate this is because this coin, you can go all the way down, even as long as 11%. Okay, I can tell you guys, come back next week, you will see what will have happened to this coin. Okay, yes, you will see what will have happened to this coin. It will have gone down. So that's it, except maybe if BTC is on a bull run, except that it will just change the pattern a bit, but it's still going to obey all these things. Okay, yeah, so guys, thumbs up to you guys. So near protocol is doing well. So core, let's check core. Core doesn't have enough data. Well, let's see. Still have very few data. You can't even do analysis on the higher time frame because it has very few candles. Can you see that? You see, it has few candles. So let's do this from here. Let's just hope that it breaks out from here like this. And so it's been bouncing on that trend line. So let's go to 1 hour. Okay. So now to identify, let me see. I'll also look at different angles. I'll look at different angles. You see, there's nothing like using the higher time frames to work with the lower time frame. Very wonderful. Very, very wonderful. I can tell you. Everybody aligns. Everybody understands each other. Lower time frame. I would prefer you go and trade another coin. This coin is still, I can't even get any setup for this. You understand? Can't even get any setup for this. So I'll advise you trade another coin. So FLM, that's Phantom. Okay. The higher time frame. Okay, wow. This coin can still be manipulated. So you have to be very careful. You have to be very, very careful. Can still be manipulated. Can still be manipulated. You're still looking at it. Hold on. Okay. So let's see. That's a double top for 4 hours time frame. What will help this coin for you to get the analysis is based on the BTC, based on BTC movements. Okay, so this is what you do. This is, and you have to be very careful trading this coin as FLM. This is the neckline. This is on a 1 hour time frame. So if it breaks out, let it break out to this level. Don't be in a rush. Keep watching it. Okay, let it get to that area. So down, pull back. So this is your entry. The entry around there. So just down all the way here. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we speak the same language. Okay, yeah, here this has really deceived a lot of people. I can tell you for real. Yeah, the same thing. So on the lower time frame is giving the same vibes. Okay, so keep your stop loss very close, very small. Don't go for big stop loss. So this is good. So let this coin trace down. Let's see if it tests, and you're good. You're good with this. So the next we have on our lists will be, I've done for BTC already. I hope you guys are good. I can see Matic. So FLM. Take your time to wait for it. Okay. I think you can use BTC to trade Matic. Use BTC to trade Matic. Yeah, use it to trade Matic. Yes. So from here, okay. So if it breaks this line to the upside, that's a very good deal. And it can still bounce on that line to go short. But you have to be very patient. Don't be in a rush to trade this. Yeah, so if you have to trade this, I think here, that's a good retest. Okay, that's a good retest. If it goes up, Yeah, entry, or if you want to go short, wait for Matic. Yeah, wait for Matic to hit 1.4547. That's a good entry for Matic. Then which other one was next? LIT. Okay. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Okay. this coin has been manipulating a lot of people. Has been manipulating a lot of people. So I think this is not bad. It indicates that it has broken out. Let's see if we can use this to trail it. So wait for the coin to break this trend line before you engage. But for now, you have to be very patient. You can see that the coin has been deceiving a lot of people. So this is another area here. That's on 4.83. So if it breaks all the way down to 1.405, they can now trade the retest to the downside, because already this is showing you a downtrend. Okay, giving a downtrend. So if it breaks this 1.483, then that's good. So you can just down retest down. Okay, that's also short. You can go short here as well, but you still need to wait a bit, let it play out. Okay, let it play out well. If your entry is very good, you can just leave it, eat all the profit. Then the next one will be, okay, Angel Nicholas. You said my limit price doesn't work if I intend to trade under limit price. Rather, it picks the trade immediately. Oh, okay. Like in the case of market price. Yeah. Now, you are using it the wrong way. That's why. Let me see how I'm going to explain. Best way to explain that. So, you see the current price now. This current, as you're looking at this current price. If I want to go long, you can't set limit order. Okay, if you want to go long now, let's say you want to buy here, it will pick the current price for you. The only thing you can do here is to go short. You can set limit price for short. Okay, you can set limit price for short, but you cannot set it for long. It will pick the current price. You understand? Now, if you want to set long position, it has to be below the current price. You cannot set long position above the current price. I hope that's clear. For you to set a current limit order now, don't set limit order above the current price to go long. Okay, if you want to set long, okay, you can't set long above. This is the current price. You can't set long anywhere here. Cancel. You can only set long below the current price, this area here. Bam. Okay, so that's it. It works vice versa for short as well. So that's it. That's the reason why it's not working effectively for you. Yeah, Okpanachi Emmanuel from Kogi State. Thanks for coming around. Iris from Enugu, you're welcome. Papyrus Venture from Kwara State, you're also welcome. We have Theophilus from Lagos, you're welcome. Okay, you said what's the name of the coin I just analyzed? I probably don't even know when you drop this your message. The coin I was analyzing when you drop this message, I don't know. So you have to maybe rewatch the video. Okay. Yeah, that's Angela Nicola. You said well understood. Beautiful. Okay, so let's continue. I think those are all the coins we need to analyze for today. Okay, so I guess we're done for today. So guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you guys understand all the analysis, and I hope you make a lot of profits with this. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on Telegram. Don't forget, this segment is sponsored by bybit, their official exchange. That's what we use in trading, and they have good transaction fees when you're trading. Okay, so that's it. So thank you, and I will see you on Telegram tomorrow.